This is not a story about a company. This is a story of passion. A passion to find solutions to healthcare problems particular to Sri Lanka and to become a centre of excellence in the region for clinical research in partnership with the best in the world. It began 10 years ago when a group of academics at the University of Kelaniya, in collaboration with researchers in the Universities of Oxford and Liverpool, set out to improve the safety of anti-venom used to treat snakebite in South Asia. With one of the highest incidences of envenoming in the world, primarily affecting rural farming communities, snakebite is a major public health problem in Sri Lanka. The challenge was not access to this life-saving medication, but to improve its safety by reducing the unacceptably high rate of adverse reactions caused by it. Our work, perhaps the largest snakebite study of its kind in the world, showed how the use of adrenaline, an inexpensive medicine, given as pre-treatment could significantly reduce severe and life-threatening reactions caused by anti-venom. The findings were included in the World Health Organization guidelines for managing snakebite in 2015 and have changed the way snakebite is treated. Our greatest reward, however, is the improvement brought to lives of victims of snakebite. Our passion then ignited the idea of creating an academic research organization to undertake more research to develop therapeutic innovations to improve lives of patients. That's how RemidumOne was born, fired up by the passion of its founders to make a difference to the clinical research landscape in Sri Lanka.
We wanted to leverage Sri Lanka's unique healthcare structure, a literate patient population, highly qualified clinical researchers, and a pool of young, talented research professionals holding biomedical degrees, as well as numerous other country-level attributes to provide an organized research structure to conduct clinical trials in areas of interest to us, as well as partner globally recognized institutions, research institutions of excellence, and multilateral organizations to develop new medicines as well as new therapeutic innovations to address public health challenges.
As Sri Lanka's pioneering clinical research company, RemidumOne is committed to supporting inventors and discoverers by supporting the conduct of clinical trials to ensure therapeutic advances reach patients who need them. Starting our scientific journey from snakebite, we have over the last decade partnered centers of excellence and research-based pharmaceutical and biotech companies to develop novel therapies for diseases that cause the highest morbidity and mortality: high blood pressure, diabetes, stroke, cardiovascular disease and cancer. We now have a wealth of experience in conducting clinical studies of diverse interventions ranging from medicines and vaccines to lifestyle change, be it a tertiary care institution or community level, to help improve lives of patients.
Over the last few years, the George Institute has had many opportunities to collaborate with the University of Kelaniya and RemidumOne on a number of major clinical trials. These are high-impact studies, including the HEADFIRST trial, which was published in the New England Journal of Medicine, and TRIUMPH, which was published recently in JAMA. We've really enjoyed our collaboration with both the University and RemidumOne, with exceptional partnership both scientifically and from an operational perspective. We look forward to collaborating with both these institutions in the future on further studies.
Our expertise and project management skills, fine-tuned over 10 years of hard work, enabled Sri Lanka to participate in a global effort to support development of a vaccine against dengue. Through our efforts, we hope this dreadful disease, which is now endemic in most tropical countries, will be better controlled and managed.
Sri Lanka enjoys global connectivity in many aspects, most of which can be applied to our work in clinical trials and medical research. Physically, we are well connected, well placed on the maritime Silk Route, so trade volumes pass within close proximity. Commercially, we have market access that far outweighs our own domestic population and gives investors in Sri Lanka, manufacturers in Sri Lanka, and researchers in Sri Lanka access to markets in India, China, and other parts of the world. And lastly, environmentally, we have, as Sri Lanka is the 2019 tourist destination of the world by Lonely Planet, we have a very nice place to invest in, live in, work in, and propagate the work we do to the rest of the world.
Our achievements over the past 10 years are an indication of our commitment to healthcare in Sri Lanka. Strongly supported by Sri Lanka's exceptional state-funded healthcare system. We are also proud of the impact our work has on healthcare on a global scale. Today, we have team members working in different parts of the country, all committed to creating a healthier Sri Lanka.
We are looking forward now for the next half a decade with a plan of vision of 2025, where the best scientific knowledge in the country, which we have gathered together as an organization, we will further strengthen it by partnering the best in the world.
The untiring efforts of the excellent men and women on our team keep our passion ablaze. The cooperation and collaboration of all the experts in the field keep us constantly moving forward. As we thank you and look forward to working with you in the future, one thing is for certain. The people that we reach may never know of us or our work. To us, the best reward is to see people face each day with a glow of confidence and smiles that light up the world.